think yes, we are on. Right, so those on the YouTube, kindly confirm if you can hear my voice. Kindly confirm if you can hear my voice. Alright, and you can see me below the screen. So let's get started. I think we are good to go. Let's get started. Trading view. And I'm sorry for the delay. I still have problems with my camera. So I'm sorry. Okay. All right, so let's start. Welcome everyone. As usual, this is how I talk. Those on the Zoom, can you hear me? Okay. All right, those on the Zoom, can you hear me? Who is drawing? Let's start quickly. Let's quickly start.
No, I can't.
Okay. Right, can you hear me? Those on the live session on YouTube, can you hear me? Is the
All right,
sound
those on the
okay?
Zoom, can you hear me? Who is drawing? Let's start quickly.
All right, Emmanuel, thanks for the feedback. All right, so let's mute our audios and quickly start something. We are far behind time, so I'm sorry for the delay. I had problems with my camera, so if you don't see me, you can see me here. I'm using an iPad to stream. I'm having a problem with my webcam. I called someone to come fix it for me, but it seems it's unfixable. So I'll just get a new one tomorrow for streams Monday. But every Sundays from this week going, every Sundays I'll give a pre-market analysis, right? What I think on the market, what I think coming on the market. For every week I would put it out Sunday evenings.
Elvis, we don't hear you.
I will put it out Sunday evenings, right? I was saying, those on the Zoom, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
All right, so I would say that I'll now put pre-market analysis on YouTube for all pairs that I'm going to trade for. I think 10 pairs, including US 30, Nasdaq, gold, your favorite Forex pairs and synthetics that I'm going to be trading, or cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be trading. Every week I focus on 10 pairs. That's how I trade. I always focus on 10 pairs. Then I would go into the week with 10 pairs and find opportunities in 10 pairs, right? That's why sometimes you don't see some of the pairs you guys tell me on the live streams on my or on my list, right? Sometimes you guys tell me I have to search it before I see it, right? So it's sometimes like that. So if you can't see me, you can see me using the iPad on the screen here, that's me. Right, so those on YouTube, that's me over there. You can watch me there. My camera isn't working, like I said, it's not working. So let's start quickly. As usual, whenever we come to streams, you guys know what we do. Where is it? Great. So where are you from? Tell us where you are from. Where are you watching us from? And tell us where you're from. And we are 217 people streaming live now, but we have 77 likes. So as you hop on the chat, kindly like this video. Let's take this to 150 plus before we start. As usual, you guys know there's a normal thing. When we come here, we try to boost the likes up, so to make these live streams viral, right? To make these live streams. So let's take this 150 before we start. I trust you guys. So I'm from Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria. Yes, 100 likes now. Let's take it to 150. All right. So welcome to my live streams. Today we're going to trade Forex, synthetic stocks, cryptocurrencies in 2 hours. Today is Friday, so it's going to be a bit longer. And we do this every Mondays to Fridays, 1:30 to 15:30 GMT on this channel. And this is going to be a free educational, both technical and fundamental analysis is going to be traded here live. And we are trading just one session. That is the New York session. You can comment, ask questions in the comment section if you want to. And you can, ask questions, share ideas, share your suggestions. And let me know what you want to know or what you know. So we learn together. I learn from you, also learn from me, and have fun as you learn. And follow me on all my socials. I was Justice Official _ on Twitter to Man of Serendipity. I do post some tweets there too. And this is my recommended broker, Eagle FX. You can you can register for it. And there's a link for synthetics. Most of you have been asking me what link should I use to register synthetics. That is it. And you can join my free Telegram community. That is the biggest in West Africa currently. So you can also go there and get free signals from me. And you can not necessarily, I always say not necessarily because I don't really force people to pay my course, right? So if you want to pay for my course, you can also use this link to pay for my course, or do text me on WhatsApp, Instagram, or any of my admins, right? So I'm not a financial advisor. This is the most important part. I'm not a financial advisor. All content is provided for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk, apply proper risk management on all trades, right? We can make money today, we can lose money today. I'm not just promising anyone money. I'm just trying to trade what I trade, right? So I'm just sending signals from what I trade. As you guys know, I only trade New York session. So any trade I'm going to take is also going to be on my live account today. So you can copy trades, but the best thing is to learn, right? The best thing is to learn from what we are going to do today. So 167 likes. Thank you. We can start something now. From Germany, from Nigeria, Kenya. All right, so I see everyone. Thanks for joining. So let's quickly start. Yesterday we hit stop loss on gold. I wanted to give gold another chance, but it looks like gold did the undone. Right, so it broke below, came back to retest our support. This was previously. If you've been following my live streams, you knew that last time we were looking for sales here, and price broke above. Price came here, consolidated, broke above the whole box or the whole zone. We felt that it was a buy. Price came back to hit from profits to hit our stop loss, then came back here to hit our support. It's currently rejecting the support, and today I'm looking for buying opportunities on gold. But then we still need gold to give us more sense. So let me delete this quickly. This is no longer valid. Who lost yesterday on gold? Those on the Zoom and those on the live streams. Who lost yesterday on gold? I lost big on gold. That was why I got angry. Not really angry, but I got a bit upset, and I had to risk a lot in US 30. If you guys saw my US 30 trade, I risked big on it, and I allowed small loss to run to catch that 900 pips yesterday on US 30.
Yeah, on gold it was a big loss yesterday. It was like, running around and making fool of us. It went down, it went up, then again down, then went up in the profits,
Yeah,
and
then
then
gave
finally
us hope, then came
yeah.
back. So definitely we are going to recover. That was our first loss in this live stream. So if you are coming to these streams and you think, yo, already I'm hearing this guy is losing a lot already, yo, that's our first for the whole year. And we took some Euro JPY trades, if you guys remember. Full TPs hits, 85 pips hits. Who took this through, or who held it through?
I held it.
You held
So
it through. So 85
yeah,
pips,
yeah.
85 pips down on it. And I think we took another trade, that is GJ. We also
GJ,
had
it's
GJ. We had,
it's
wow,
295.
GJ went all the way to 150 pips. But I think we our entry was somewhere here, so we had 120 pips.
Yeah, 120.
120 pips on GJ, uh 85 pips on EJ. So today is going to be I think GJ still has lots of volume, lots to do. So our first trade is going to be GJ. We still have long way to go on GJ. Remember my targets. Remember when last 2 days when we were talking about the double what's the double top or the M formation. For pattern traders, you can be using this. So today I'm looking for sells on GJ2. I'm still not bullish on GJ because we still have this whole room to go on GJ, right? So we still have this you can see the momentum is bearish, right? So we still have 300 pips to do on GJ. At least let's target 300 pips, or let's target, let's say 150 pips, right? We don't want to be greedy. Or let's target 200 pips. We don't want to be greedy. Right, so GBP JPY, we can target. It still has momentum to fall, so let's say we want to target just 200 pips on it. Right, this would be our TP, and that would be our next TP. What do you guys think? Those on the Zoom, those on the live trade. I lost on gold and missed the US 30 trade. I closed halfway. I lost $80. Tikano Ashe. Everyone is saying good, but we also did US 30, 9 sells. We've not lost US 30 so far. We did 9 sells yesterday. No one is talking about that. We did GJ 120 pips. No one is talking about it. We did Euro JPY 85 pips. No one is talking about it. Everyone is now talking about 40 pips loss on gold. I think if you don't really understand the risk part of trading is not for you. In my opinion, right? So let's sell GJ now. Everyone, let's sell GJ. And I'm going to explain. I think I've already explained this whole setup, right? Why we got 120 pips on GJ, but we are still selling again today. Today is Friday. I'm still expecting momentum to fall. I'm still expecting price to still fall because the momentum for the sales is still on. But then we're not going to target the full take profit. We are going to target a little here. Alright, so let's target GJ for today. Right, so let's sell GJ. Where would our TP be? Where would our stop loss be? Let's see. So the whole setup is very simple. It's going to be a very simple setup. Price on the 1D time frame is showing bearish momentum. We already got 120 pips here, but we still have opportunities to take this wholesale right down back. So this is going to be our trade for today. Where would we put our stop loss? Where would we put our TP? Let's come back to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let me take this trade with one D because it's very much clearer on the 1D time frame. So you can sell it now. Sell by market order now. Let me also sell it. GJ. as we find the TPs and the stop losses, then we can sell it now. Let me risk a bit hard on this one. So ask me the lot size you want to use and I'll help you know. Let me know your account balance and I'll help you know the lot size you should be using on this trade.
Okay, I have a $400.
Right, $400. So let's find the TPs before. Right. So we have a free range to this side. We have a free 200 pips range. But where are we going to put our TP1, our TP2, our TP3? Let's put our TP1 here. Let's say 50 pips. Or let's just target 100 pips. Let's just use one TP, and we'll be taking profits as we go on. Right? Let's do that. Let me delete this. So TP for GJ would be TP 153.283. That's going to be like 50 pips. Sorry, 100 pips. 100 pips. So I'm going to target 100 pips for today, though the whole momentum is very, very, very down, but we are targeting 100 pips for today, for just today. And our stop loss, we would want to risk just 30 pips. Let's risk just 35 pips most, because we've already made, like yesterday I taught you guys something about we taking 3 trades on streams. Every single day we are going to be taking 3 trades on the streams, right? And if you are taking just 3 trades on the streams, and let's say we have 2 wins and 1 loss, we must make sure that our 2 wins are always greater than our 1 loss. If you trade and you take, let's say, 3 trades a single day, and your losses are always bigger than your wins, that means there's something wrong. So you'll be always want to keep our risks very, very short, very, very low, and try to target, profits, big profits. Right. So before I come back to talk about the account sizes, sell GJ. Right, sell GJ now. That was our entry. Entry somewhere here, and our stop loss there. So where would you put our stop loss? Let's put our stop loss here. Let's put our stop loss here at 154.674. That's like 35 pips. So we are risking 35 pips for 100 pips on GJ. A pair that has already done as 120 pips. So imagine even if we hit stop loss on this trade, we are still profitable, right? Those on the Zoom.
Yeah.
Even if we hit stop loss on GJ, we are still profitable because we've already secured 120 pips. We are now risking, just 35 pips. So imagine if you are deducting 120 pips minus 35, we are still profitable on GJ for the week. Even if we hit stop loss, that's how you trade. You try to secure the partials that you've made before, not risking all back. You lose the profits back. It doesn't make sense. So these are going to be a very simple setup, a very simple trade. 100 pips on GJ. Any suggestions? This is what I think, though. This is what I think. I don't know what you guys think too. This is what I think. So stop loss is on your screen, TP is on your screen. Let's copy the trade quickly. On a $300 account, use 0.10. It's good. You are going to lose $35 if the trade goes against you. $900 account, use 0.30. $30 account, use 0.01, the lowest lot size. Boy Miracle $200 account use 0.05. $80 account use 0.03. 140 euros account use 0.04 or 0.05.
What about 1500?
$15,000 account use
No, 1500.
1,500 use
Yeah.
0.50. Use
All right.
0.50. $76,000 account use 1 lot size and be with me, or 2 lot size even. So Yalbi has posted the trade on the live chat, so you can check it up. 200k accounts use 2 lot size. I think it's FTMO. Okay, already in little profits, floating in little profits. Always, let's look at GU. Cost price has broke the level you said you were eyeing. All right, let's go look at GU. Are you guys done with? I hope you are done with GJ. Stop loss and everything is set. Everyone is set to take this trade. We good?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go to the next trade. GU price has broken the level. Oh wow, it did break the level that I was saying. So let's still see. Let this little wick gets filled. This is a 1D time frame, so let's see if this wick gets filled. Let's see. It will be taking some GU sales here. I don't want us to over trade. Okay, I don't want us to take lots of trades in the single day. All right, so New York session in 23 minutes, stocks are falling. Everything is falling. Bitcoin is falling. Everything is falling. All right, so let's come back to gold. I still need the gold. Let's take gold buys too. Thing is getting a bit confirmed because price. I was expecting price. If price had broken this whole support, we would have been seeing price coming back here. But then it got to the support and rejected the support. This is the analysis that we did 2 days ago, and we'll be using the same analysis today for yesterday and today. All right. So I'm looking for buying opportunities on gold. Let's buy gold. I hope gold pays us back what it took from us yesterday. My first loss for the whole year. And I think VIX 752 that's on synthetics. I don't want to talk about that one. Alright, so it got here, rejected. You could see a nice bounce off again, back to the zone. So we should either wait for breakout above or we can take the trade. What do you guys think?
Wait for breakout.
You should wait for breakout.
I will wait for breakout though on that box.
Alright, so let's wait for a breakout. But the same breakout happened here and price came back down. So the same breakout came here. Like what I thought on Wyckoffs, right? This is what do you call this, accumulation, or this is distribution? Those on the Zoom.
That's distribution.
This is distribution because price has already been overbought. So a sell. This is what we call the spring, a shakeout before the actual move happened. But we fell for the fake out actually because of the candles. A lot of books would tell you that this is going to be a rejection. Buy. You guys remember what you've been seeing on the books, but market makers know all that you know. They know that you know this. So this guy is going to fall for this buy. And yes, I even fell for this buy. I fell for it, and the next thing, bang, took us down again. So the people are saying let's wait for breakout Elvis. I would have taken the sell straight up, but I want to listen to my people.
I took the trade.
You
because
already took the trade. I also
yeah.
want to take the trade, but my people are saying let's wait for breakout. So let's just wait for breakout.
Well, it's carrying the same thing like
Momentum.
yesterday. Yeah,
Yes, it's carrying
yesterday
this.
it gave us a big bullish candle and we got
Yes, and
confirmed.
we
Then it
got
fucked us
confirmed.
bad.
So let's do this. Let's put buy stops. Or let's put buy stops. Let's do that. So from what we traded yesterday, same setups. Instead of us waiting, because we still have some trades to go check up on GU, we have EJ again. So put buy stops on gold at 1845. Let's put it that way, 1845. And our TP solidly still 1855, and our stop loss 1840 again, like yesterday's zone. Right, don't over risk, I beg. Yesterday I had a lot of DMs that I had to even switch off my
Total
phone.
volume like gold ne kal bhi bond marayi saadi.
Kasabe na kan wasa.
मैं तो रैली से क्यों हूँ? Like, yes, GJ.
Elvis,
Yes, sir.
I want to ask a
Huh?
Right, ask your question.
like how can one boost their confidence in taking trades?
That's what I'm
Like
trying
for-
to teach you here. Most people are even truth be told, most people are better traders than me. Let's be sincere. I've seen good traders, people analyzing the market so well. But when it comes to picking up trades, or when it comes to getting into trades, they are nowhere to be found. Have you seen those kind of people?
Yeah. There are those kinds of people who only trades on TradingView.
You get
Only
they will draw something, and the next thing you see them using the risk reward ratio, TP this hit, TP that hit. They are those kind of people. But then, and they are the kind of people that also, they don't even draw anything on the charts, but they are making money. So at the end of the day, is it drawing something on the chart that makes you money, or actually making the money? It's a question.
the money, of course.
It's actually people making money. And to boost your confidence, it will depend on you, not me. You have to start practicing, like, come to the charts, try to make trade. Don't depend on signals. Signals are just going to give you a guide on. I always say this. I send signals. I'm a signal provider. I try to talk to people to come and pay my signal, but to be real and to be honest, right? Signal, depending on signal, people wants to be fed. Everyone wants to be fed. Always do this for us. But at the end of the day, if you want to be great, if you want to be like me, even more better than me, do better than me, I have no problem with that. It starts with you doing things for yourself. You telling yourself that as I'm, watching these live streams, or as I'm following Elvis doing this, that, I can also be doing, come on the charts, go to gold, make some money on gold. The more you make money, the more you build confidence. Because if it comes to trading and you start trading and you are always losing, your confidence, gets disrupted. You lose confidence in even taking trades and even taking setups. You feel like trading is not for you. This guy, and that is even going to lead you to any course that you see people selling. You are ready to buy. You're ready to give your money out to people. I've been in that shoe, so I know it. I know it when someone comes out, you see someone with 1 month consistency or 2 months consistency, you think the person is a guru. You go pay your money to the person, and after 2 months, after 3 months, after 4 months, it's like you don't cast. Nothing is moving for the person again, and you are telling yourself that this person is done. You go to the next person, same thing happens. You go to the next. This is because of something I call depression. It's very very normal in beginners. They throw their monies away, changing their systems after 1 month, after 2 months. They go to the next person. When things are bad, they move on to the next person. When things are bad, they move on to the next person. That's why you see most people with 10 VIP groups. They're in 10 VIP groups. Like yesterday I said something like that. You'll be in 10 VIP groups. I will send a signal. Let's say mine goes bad, the next guy's own goes good, the next guy's own goes bad, the next guy owns goes good. What have you. At the end of the day, you'll be at what? At a standstill. Right? Just find one, two, three, just at least mostly at max three traders that you find confidence in. Trade the way they trade. Follow their trades. Because if you know that we are going to lose on gold, you know that there's going to be US 30 coming. If you know we are going to lose on US 30, there's GJ coming, or there's any other pair. Yesterday we took 4 trades: US 30, gold, GJ, EJ, right? 3 won, 1 loss. We are still profitable, and the one that even lost was what, 40 pips. But if you calculated all the 3 wins, was like 200 points, more than 200 points. We did 120 on GJ, and we did 85. That alone is 205, plus US 30 we did 170. So that's 370 pips win, and we lost 40 pips on gold. So if you are going to be a trader as this, and you are making 350 pips wins and 40 pips loss, and your loss, you're always complaining about the loss. If you deduct 370, 40 minus from the 370, you still have to be 330 pips profitable. So if you tell me that always I've blown my account trading gold, the gold trade that you posted, I've blown my account. What about the other 330? Where is it? So it's very very bad. If you want to begin trading, you are following this. It's good to follow a lot of people, learn from them, but then a lot of VIPs isn't the best way to go. I remember when I was having my bad day trade, I think last year, somewhere September there, I was losing trade back to back. But people left my group. Some even blocked me. Some even deleted, deleted my Telegram page. They left. Some even left my Forex, my WhatsApp page, what have you. But then those that stayed. Those that stayed. So it comes with the job. It comes with the job. So buy stops on gold. Buy stop at 1845, TP 1855, stop loss 1839 on gold. GJ, we already took sales in little profit, very very little profit, nothing to be happy about. But at least you should be seeing some blues, like some little blues at least. Elvis, the way you enter your trade, no dear. What has it done? Is it weird? The way I enter my trades, is it weird, guys? Is it weird? Or is some way beyond?
No, it's good because you don't think
for
like a typical retail trader. You think like a businessman or like something else.
Yes.
Like you always used to say.
You have to be a businessman.
Obvious is
trading.
not obvious.
Yes. The obvious is obviously not obvious. You have to be a businessman in trade because you are risking your money, isn't it? Let's talk about synthetics too. The obvious is obviously not obvious. Today I'll be trading step index live. Alright, so very simple setup we are going to get here. What is the trend of this market? What is the trend of this market?
Downtrend.
So what opportunities are we looking for?
Downtrend.
Selling
up. I posted this trade, but I felt I should close it because people were coming to my DM and I didn't like it. I'm like, yo, if you can't, sometimes you give up on people. Traders hasn't even started and people are already coming. Boss, it's minus 20 pips, draw down. What should we do? Like, there's stop loss. The stop loss was somewhere here.
This is because you said, let's risk our profit.
So you guys were scared. Now it's in massive profit, and I still held on. I I don't like when trades isn't at where it should be and people are already testing you. Boss, I don't like that. So let's take sales on step index if you are watching. Let me tell those on the VIP.
Step index is only on the right, right?
Yes, it's already only on derive. All right. Nice one. So let's sell step. I'll come back to do this, but let's focus on GU, GJ. We still have lots to do. Bitcoin. Oh, yesterday we caught Bitcoin and we left. Who remembers?
Thank God.
Yes, we just caught our 100 pills and we vanished. This was a trade. Those that went here yesterday, we caught some buys on Bitcoin. And you remember when I told you to close? Immediately I told you guys to close and it reversed. Very lucky. So we took 100 pills on Bitcoin yesterday too. Yesterday was good. That means we had more than even 400 pips. Yesterday was good. Just that the gold factors up or factors over. And when it got to this blue, I was like, let's close, because I was seeing this kind of rejection. It couldn't get to the TP. We took our profit here and bang. Wow. Now I don't even have any words for Bitcoin anymore. We would come back to it soon. All right, so gold. Buy stops at 1845 hasn't triggered. Crying is crying here. Crying, what's up?
I'm here,
That's my brother, my blood brother.
I'm studying.
All right, so he trades synthetics only. He's the reason why I'm trading synthetics today, though. So step index, resell step index, sell step index. TP should be somewhere 42, 8842. Let's raise 100 pips. You can ask me what lot size you should use. I'll help you identify the lot size that you should use. Step index. So those that trade step index. Someone is asking what broker? This is a broker that we use to trade step index. This is it. Link in bio. Link for synthetics. That's a derivative. Blah 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 blah. Use this link and get $1,000 million.
What's your stop loss?
My stop loss, I'm coming. Let me go check the chat again. Wow, we are 310 viewers here. Please do like the video if you just joined. $30 account, what should I use? Use the lowest lot size. If you're using $30, listen, if you're using $30, $20, $50, $10, and you want to trade synthetics or you want to trade Forex, right? Always be looking for involatile pairs. For example, if you want to trade with derivative or you want to trade synthetics, be looking for VIX 10, VIX 10 1S. If your amount is less than $50, always be trading just these two pairs. VIX 10 1S. Just these two pairs. Master these two pairs and trade them, because these two pairs are very, very involatile. When I say involatile, they don't move a lot, but they can also make you money. Right? Imagine a day you are making, a morning you wake up, you make $5, afternoon you make $5, evening you make $5, that's $15. If you're having $30, at least you've made half of your capital in a single day. And if you're going to do that for a whole month, Charlie, you're going to make good money. I came to Ghana and I was hearing NSS is 500 and is it 500 cities or 600? Those on the live streams.
500 and 600.
Yo,
559.
559. Look, 559 cities. That's not even up to $100. I was shocked. I was like, yo, this government is very, very, very wicked. Very, very, very wicked. Very, very, very wicked. 559. And imagine you have to take Uber. Even if you're not taking Uber, you are going to work. You have to buy water to drink. You have to feed yourself? Is it a training, or I don't get it. Is it that they are training them, or I don't get it? What is the purpose of it? And I mean to be fair, it's like you guys are not even minding me. Or we don't have Ghanaians. Okay, Imano is from Ukraine, Chidi is from Nigeria, Sylvia is, I don't know, Uma is from Pakistan, Yat is from Netherlands. Okay, so there are no Ghanaians here. So, but on the streams, yes, I see some comments. 559. That's $98. All right, Sylvia. Hey.
Keyboard.
Hey, Sylvia, it's okay if yes, I understand.
I'm here.
Okay, yes, you can now talk. Hey, it's like your voice was fidgeting. We couldn't hear you clearly. Someone says it be military training. Hey, the comments on YouTube, they call it service to the nation. It's like you are serving the nation. Okay, it makes sense. If you are serving the nation and you are a patriotic citizen, then it's okay. Even 559 is even too much. You should do it for the country for free.
Okay, I didn't hear what you were talking.
Let's hear you. Let's hear you.
I think she's having a problem with her network. So
Yes, I also think so.
Yeah, I think my network is not stable. Sorry.
All right, we are so sorry too. Please, can we hear you now?
Yeah, doctor, please, you were saying
teacher. Can you type for us? Okay, yeah, just type for us. And so
in Ghana, and then I didn't hear the butte.
No, don't worry. It's okay now. Let's just focus on what you're doing here. All right. So Euro JPY, I'm looking for a gain for selling opportunities. The sales aren't done yet. Okay, the sales aren't done yet. Remember last time when we were doing this analysis, I told you that this is a mine. This pair is going to play with your minds. Normally, every trader will be looking for. This will be a downtrend. Everyone would think this lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. That's what the book stocked as, right? Lower lows. So we are looking for what? Price to retest to a lower high. But I told you guys that I see something like price is failing to break above this whole structure. So price is failing to break above this whole retest area. So this is what we did. We took some sales and it went through. Now I'm saying this again. Price is again failing to break above this whole structure, because we should have seen another lower low here, right? Another lower low, and that lower low should have sent us back to at least this side or this whole zone back to retest the zone. Should be a break and retest, like price has broken out the trend line and comes back to the zone. But it looks like price is actually retesting the trend line here. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Price is retesting this trend line again, so it's going to be a break and what? Those on the zoom.
A retest.
A break and retest on the trend line, and we are going
to
see more
it's a retest.
Very simple. So I still think EJ is still bearish, so we can take some sells. Very, very simple analysis. You could see it's price has broken out, right, and came to retest the trend line. What's happening? You could see it's failing to break above this whole trend line. You could see it. So this is what we call breakouts, retests, and what goes to Bogota. Like price breaks out, retest the trend line again, and it goes down. So anytime you are trading and you see something like this, price breaks out, price retests the trend line, and it's trying to accumulate, it's trying to consolidate, it goes up, comes down, know that price is failing to break above the trend line, and this calls for you taking or looking for selling opportunities. So I'm looking for sells on EJ today. It's like this week we've just traded two pairs, isn't it? GJ and EJ and gold, but gold hasn't really given us anything yet. It's owing us. So let's take some sells on EJ. Let's look at US 30. Sorry, step index. Wow, beautiful. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful on step index. Who took this trade? Those trading synthetics. Who took this trade?
Okay, bro.
You took it.
Yeah.
How much? How much profit? Is some people are saying I'm funny. Am I funny? Always you are funny. Oh. Another comment. Always you are too funny. Why did I say that was funny? You say you are making $2.
Me? Is it me?
Oh.
No. $50 actually.
Okay, $50. I still think it has to come to 32. So let's see.
Elvis, shall we sell EJ?
Yes, sell EJ. I'm looking for opportunities. The TPs and stop loss. Sell EJ now. Euro JPY. Sell it now. Step index. Sell now. GJ. Sell now. The rest I'll post it later. US 30 I'll trade it later. If you're here for US 30 gold, we are still waiting for opportunities, right? It still hasn't broken above. You guys told me to wait, right? All right, you guys told me to wait. Someone says I've made $10 profit on step index, clean drop. I've made $4 on synthetics. I've made 22. Hey, ECG has taken the lights. Hey, lights, Doomso that's all. My fellow Ghanaians, Doomso is still active. But when I came to Ghana, I didn't experience anything like that. Or is it because of where I was staying?
There's no more. So
And there's no more Doomso. I've talked to Akufo-Addo. He said he promises you guys that there's not going to be any Doomso. Chill for my president. I'm not doing politics here. I'm not even an MPP guy. Evers, who can guess this correctly? Evers, which political party do we belong to? Like naturally, yeah. Why we know that you are this party. What political party? This for Ghanaians.
the NDC.
Pardon.
NDC.
GPP.
What is GPP? It's a political party. PPP. Oh, Park was seeing doom. I know they PPP. How? I'm at Rawlins's party. It's like a tribal mark.
That's what we know.
It's like a tribal mark. Now I'm being sincere. And
Yeah, we know the tribe and the Rollins.
yeah, it's a tribe and Rawlins. You see, when I was born, my dad was already an NDC man, so I had no choice than to be an NDC without even knowing anything about politics. So I've never voted before. I don't even have a voter's ID or something. But anytime I'm doing Mahama. But for me, I don't know what's going on in Ghana. So Bedi mi mechi edi ayo vote wabolos. Eyezu, yes, I see Eyezu. But I don't know anything about politics. I don't know anything about what's going on in Ghana. But I learned Akufo-Addo is disappointing. That's what people are saying when I came to Ghana. But we're not talking about politics here. Let's look for our setup. So I'm still waiting for a break and rate test here. So I'm looking for selling opportunities. Let's take this sell here on EJ. But we are going to be targeting. This is the whole target on EJ. Okay, this is the whole target on EJ. Looks like the target is 150 pips, but I don't want to target 150 pips. Remember what I said last year? Who remembers what I said last year? Who remembers what I said last year about whenever you want to take a trade, how to plan the trade? Who remembers? New York session has opened. US 30 is buying, but like I said, I'll trade US 30 later. Hey, if you are taking the gold sales, you would have been losing. Wow. What's happening with GJ now? Back to entry. Okay. Let's look at EJ2. Hey, EJ is also retesting, but we are still going to take the sells. The sells has to sell. The sells has to sell. Remember what I told? I said about picking trades last year. Those have been following my live streams. Yes, let me see the comment section. Okay, no one has commented. I remember when I said if you come to a platform or if you come to a pair, right? If you come to a pair, and let's say you see a 300 pips opportunity, always divide it into two and target 150. Always play it safe. So if we come here and we are seeing 172 pips opportunity, what do? We divide it into two to be safe, because price isn't always coming to your main target. Price isn't always. That's why I always say, even on my signals, don't target the last TP. All right. Don't target the last TP unless maybe you are willing to risk your profits. EJ is not selling, but it will sell. So let's see. You're just looking for opportunities. So let's look for at least 100 pips move here. Right? Sell EJ now. It's a good thing to sell. I know people are insulting me, but this is what I feel.
Okay, so how about GN?
What's GN?
JBP NZD.
New Zealand.
GBP NZD.
GBP NZD. Okay, let's see. We'll see about that one too. But sell Euro JPY now. Okay, please sell it. Please sell it for me. If you don't trust me with this trade. Remember when I was saying let's sell this, people didn't trust me. I'm saying let's sell this again. People won't trust me too. But well. Alright, so where are we going to put our TP? We are going to put our TP. We are going to target 100 pips on this trade and also risk 35 pips on this trade too. So 100 pips on this trade, our TP is going to be always check out BTC. Okay, we'll check out BTC later. Our TP is going to be but by the way, how many people are doing FTMO? I think I'm already spreading the FTMO virus to right.
Me, I am in.
Right, but you don't need to. Today I posted something like join my FTMO VIP, and people were complaining. Yo, Elvis, they say OG is Kadodo. They said, and those that don't understand, they said I'm now taking people's money a lot, and not like I forced. I came to you that come and join this. Come and join this. I put it out there. It's all about you deciding to buy it or not. Because for VIP, we have different accounts on VIP. My VIP, someone has $50, someone has $100, someone has $150, someone has $80, someone has $8,000, someone has $10,000. It's very difficult if you are posting prop firm trades there. Everyone's psychology is different. So with a special group for just prop firms, I think it will help people really to look for, or people to focus on their prop firms. So if I post a US30 and you have a 200k to pass, you're going to be using big lot size, 5 lot size. Take the trade, pass the challenge once and for all, go and sleep. That's what I want. I don't want people to be trading on prop firms for 20 days before they pass the challenge. No, that's not how we trade on prop firms. You have to prove your skill, and you need just one signal to prove your skill to these guys. So if you're having a small account like $100, $200, trust me, it's going to take a long time for you to be profitable in trading. Very, very long. So why don't you, instead of using $100 to trade, why don't you use that one to buy an FTMO, fund it up, pass a challenge, get funded big like $10,000, and you can make even 50% or 10% every month. I was making an example and you guys read it, and you could see what I said was true. Because if you're having $100,000 account and you are making at least 10%, that's like $10,000. And that's good money. That's good money. Right, so EJ, sell, stop loss here. Stop loss 129.552. I resumed trading like 2 days ago, and we've done a lot already. I missed trading so much, so when I came back, it was like, hey, I said pips, 40 pips, not pips. All right, so AJ, let's see how it goes. If you trust me, take this trade. If you don't trust me, take this trade. Even if you lose, you gotta still trust me. I saw that first night, a lot of people were praying, God, help me buy a car. God, I need to buy a car this year. This year, I'm going to buy a house. The year started, and those people are still trading on $50 accounts. Someone Obi crab blow accounts, crab and a bomber boo. Someone has already blown an account. Alright, so TP for EJ is 100 pips, 128 points. Is on your screen so you can see it clearly. If you can't see it, let me know. Those on the Zoom, can you see it? Or do I need to do some readjustments?
Yes, we can see it.
It's not clear. Let me push this. This is the TP and the stop loss. So this is the TP. This is the stop loss. So just tell me your account size. I'll help you know what lot size to use. Patrick Ahiashi, is that a gun name? Or Caroline Jackson, what is the TP for EJ? The TP and the stop loss, they hear people more than even the way we took the trade. Alright, so TP is on your screen, stop loss is on your screen. Alright, Darren says it's not great to see, but I think Yao would type it. Yao definitely type it. So copy it. Take a screenshot from Yao. Yes, Yao has typed it. That's my guy. Euro JPY TP 128.238. That's 100 pips, and stop loss it's at 129.552 for 40 pips. So we are risking 40 pips for 100 pips. And remember, we've already made 80 pips on this trade, right? So even if we lose 40 pips on this trade, are we still profitable? Are we still profitable? We are still profitable, yeah. Those on the Zoom, I need interactive people. Don't just come.
Yeah, we'll be profitable.
You could have gone to the YouTube session, Yeah, we need. So yes, we will still be 40 pips profitable, right? It's all about understanding business, the business side of trading.
Yeah.
Once the profit comes to you, you are not willing to lose it back. Step index still moving good. So EJ, we have GJ. Is J going well now? Yes, back to profits.
Alvis, what do you see on GU?
GU, I see candles. What do you also see?
I see candles too.
All right. So I'm just waiting for it to break below this. At first I said this, but I have a reason, because I don't like these two candles. I don't like these two. So I just want it to break below this, then we can see what. Don't worry, I'll post something, because if it breaks below, it confirms that GU is coming to Bogota, and that's how many pips. This is going to be like illegal bank robbery. Like, if this trade gets confirmed, I pray it gets confirmed. Like, wow. So this is how you analyze trades. This is how you pick trades, right? So this is going to be a 369 pips, right, target. But like I always say, you have to divide that into two, right? So if you are going to divide that into, that means you are going to be looking for, let's say, 180 pips targets. So this will now be your new target, and forget about the rest. That is how to be a smart trader. Don't see a 400 pips move or a 400 pips opportunity and be looking or be targeting for that 400 pips. No, you don't trade like that. You always have to break it out or divide it into two and target the rest. Top entertainment, GU down, so gold also down. Nope. If GU is down, gold should be going bullish. Elvis Boss, what broker can we use to trade synthetic? I've been saying this. It's here. Link in bio, you see it. Link in bio, you see it. Link in bio, you would see it. This is it. Link for synthetics, right? And derivative. All right, so live streams every single day, right? Every single day. Trade with me. How I pick my trades, how I take my trades, how I make money is all on this stream. That's all you need. You can decide not to even pay for my course and just be following the stream. But sometimes I do understand people also have work, especially in Ghana, in Africa. It's going to be a working time for them. That's why I also have a VIP. I post signals there. So if you can't make it to the streams, you should definitely look into getting access to the VIP. This week I've been sending free signals to the free channel too. So make money and use it to pay for VIP. Okay, I'll be waiting. Elvis, analyze odd USD. Okay, let's analyze odd USD. Nothing to trade here. Leave it. Leave it. Nothing to trade. It's in a range. I don't like. These are not my kind of setups, right? Odd USD, let's leave it. Odd card. Anything odd, leave it for this week. Euro CHF. Okay, let's look at Euro CHF. Anything odd, leave it for this week. Ask me why. Anything odd. Right, Euro CHF is already done. The sales are already done. It's got here. The sales are already done. So nothing interesting here too. Just leave it too. Not every pair is tradable. Okay, some pairs you meet it's not tradable. Just leave it. Not every pair is tradable. So let's hope Euro JPY gets into profits quickly. Gold still nothing to show off for. It's still ranging. Gold is still ranging. Imagine if we are taking buys, like by now we would be having heart attacks or heartaches, right? I would have taken the buys though, but you guys advised me. Karim was like, yo, don't. Cephas was like, yo, don't. Imano, Umar, I think Umar took the trade. So only Umar's heart is bleeding.
Yeah, I took the trade, but I had my SL on. It's like 20 pips SL, so it's never hurts.
Right. He understands it. If you understand what you are doing, trading is more fun. But let me analyze US30 before I leave you guys, or before I take a trade. Yesterday I was talking with Yat when I took this trade. Yat,
Alice,
but I didn't give you the
you know
trade.
what? Yesterday, US30 had a prank with me. I'm always so active in the New York session, and you mistakenly posted a signal over there. I instantly took the sell, and it was like a medium lot size according to my equity. And then I saw you said no, it's a target mistake. I had to cut loss.
The sales. Yes, yesterday what happened was I was expecting sales, but my entry wasn't good. This was a sell that I was expecting. I took my sales here. I saw price, one candle close, another candle close to. So I was expecting price to follow up here, but price came up here, so I wasn't really sure, because nevertheless we were going to hit stop loss. So I felt like it's best we hop out, and just wait for price to do its thing. So price went to do its thing, then I felt like it's time. That's why I put the blue line here. I thought it was time to get into this sales, right? So we took the trade somewhere here, and our TP was somewhere here, and the rest, this was the rest that played out. But I held it true and true because I knew it was going somewhere here. But not all signals are for the public, not all signals. Sometimes I'm just risking in my bed, in my space, because I can't risk with everyone's capital. Some people would agree, some people wouldn't agree. Someone will block me, someone will not block me. Everyone has
Yeah.
his psychology. So sometimes I
Yeah.
just want to.
Yeah, yesterday, it had a little kind of prank with me. So
Yeah.
so I had to cut. I had like double lows, and then it was good. I took, medium loss, and the lot size was third time. The lot size was according to my equity. You always say like, do whatever you want to do according to your equity. Do the money management. So I
Yes.
lost it 2 times. Then I had to my lot size was lesser than before. So it was good. It was fun. Like my loss was over. I was in equivalent.
Great. All right, so US 30 smaller time frame looks like it needs to retest here. Looks like, I'm not saying it has to retest, but this whole thing is consolidating. So let me wait for what happens. If it breaks above, you're going to take buys here. If it breaks below, I'm not going to trade. So let's see what happens with US 30. If it breaks below, I'm done for the week. This week has been profitable. Like, I came Wednesday, I traded Wednesday, Thursday, just 3 days, and we are doing a lot already. So Charlie, but if it breaks above this, I'll be taking buys, I'll be posting buys. So take notes of that. What other trade? Crash. What? Synthetic is still playing around. It's now patient. It's now just you being patient, okay? Because the trade has confirmed it needs to come to 32, so you just need to be patient. Elvis, what fundamental confirmation? Oh, what is this? Elvis, what fundamental confirmation do you need to see? Blah 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 blah. All right, so today, normally we always do fundamentals before talking about technicals, but today there was no fundamentals from yesterday, what we talked about. That's why I didn't even open Forex Factory. So this is what we use for fundamentals. Forex Factory, right? Where's the calendar? And we filter it. When after filtering it, you could see Friday there's nothing here. So what does that mean, right? Those on the Zoom chats.
Pure technicals.
No technicals. So sorry, pure technicals. So that means we are trading with technicals today, and that's exactly what we are doing. All right, so that's why I didn't even bother myself going to look at any news, what have you. I just started doing this. Step index doing so well. This is the only thing I'm trading today. I've seen boom thousands, VIX 50, what have you, So I'm not trading any. This is the only trade I'm giving to you for those who trade step index. Remember, we always say we want to trade. We want to take how many trades in the live stream. If you just join me, just listen to this. Like what someone is asking, Elvis, do you normally need to trade? We always take 3 trades here. If you are joining my live stream, I only take 3 trades, right, in the live stream, and after we take those 3 trades, we are done. The rest is just me analyzing pairs. So it's like we are done taking the 3 trades today. We took EJ, we took GJ, right, and we took what step index, right. The rest I'll post it on the Telegram signal page later, right. So I can analyze VIX 50 for you if you want, but I'm not going to give any signal on it. That's what I mean to say. I don't even want to analyze, because if I analyze it and I see an opportunity, Charlie, who am I? when money is calling, who am I? So let's just focus on the little that we are trying to gain. VIX 50. What's so interesting here? I think it should sell. Why should it sell? Though it's playing in a range, but then look at this. Look at this. I see nice fake outs. One, two, three. This should have led to a downtrend, right? Price was actually a downtrend, but what happened? Price couldn't come back to retest the trend, and that's what Derive always does. They go against you always. Whenever you are really really sure that this is going to sell, like this is going to sell, and they try to bring a buy to clear all your account before the trade runs in direction. So Derive even made me come with that term. The obvious is obviously not obvious. I lost money last time and I was just there. I'm like, the obvious was not obviously obvious. Sometimes it hurts. So that's Derive for you. Lots of manipulations. This. If you are going to draw a trend line down here, this is going to be like to fake people out into thinking this was a breakout. Then boom, when it came here, they tried to bring a green candle to make people think it's a break and retest. So we are going to retest back, break, retest, then to Bogota, and price went down. And when price even went down the trend line, you could see an unusual candle is forming. A bullish momentum is coming. So nothing to trade here, but I'll be looking for selling opportunities on VIX 50. You have to be very very smart. Think twice, think thrice, think fives, thrice, seven rise. Think deep before you take any trade on Derive. Be very very careful. Those guys aren't playing this year. They are in for people's money. Those guys, trust me, they aren't playing this very year. All right, EJ has started.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm listening.
I think gold might be in for a sell instead.
All right, so
Check
gold
it out.
might be in for a sell. It's very true because price couldn't break this whole level, so definitely we could be looking for sells to 37, back to 37, or maybe back to this whole. But let's see. So close all buy stops. Gold has been invalidated. It couldn't break above this whole trend line. Or we should just wait. Let's wait. Or let's close. What do you guys think? Advise me. You are doing this together.
Close.
You should close. So let's invalidate gold. Gold, we will come back Monday. See you. Let's close gold and let's focus on EJ, GJ, and let's find one pair or one signal. We already have step index though running, but let's find one last pair. Hey, we said 3 trades, so yeah, that's it.
I hope GU.
Let's go for GU.
Below so we can
okay, let's look
calculate.
for GU. Let's look for GU instead of to replace gold, right? Let's look for GU to replace gold. You see what I was telling you, right? I wasn't really, confident with this candle. It's very clear on the 4-hour time frame. I'm not confident with a certain candle. Let me see. Yes, this is it. I'm not confident with these two candles. I'm not confident with the way it got to the support. One candle close, another open above. I'm not confident with it. That's why I'm not taking. I didn't take the GU. We would have been in some 10 pips loss already if we had taken it. I know when my spirit tells me that let's take this trade, and when my spirit tells me let's not take this trade. So GU is still a waiting game. Let's just be patient. Okay. If I see anything clear on it, trust me, I would post a signal. I want us to be taking right trades. This year, people have to be very, very profitable. We don't just come here and, Oh, I see some people tagging me on Instagram already. So we are 291. At least 50 people should tag me. Should I pose? Tell me to pose. Tell me when to pose so I can pose and you tag me. Gangster. All right. Step index to in profits. Jacob Ebenezer says very very true. Derive plays with our minds. December was an easy market, so I saw some guys making money on Derive, and they were all over the place. People fell for them, paid monies to them, and Derive will make you think like you're a 40-year-old or you're a 50-year-old before taking a trade. You are playing with this one. You are playing chess game with a broker. You are playing a chess game with a broker. The broker wants your money, and you also want the broker's money. And the broker also doesn't want you to take his money. So you are playing a direct chess game with them. It's not easy as you guys see it. Albert Nuama, Elvis, so are you able to spend your money? Wow. Do I even have money? I don't have money. TK6, Elvis, stop fooling. Hey, am I fooling? Please close all gold buy stops now. Yes. Made some money on the NAS sales. We didn't talk about NASDAQ though. Big drop is coming for gold. Big drop is coming. Are you a prophet? Okay, there's a prophet in our chat. He says big drop is coming for gold. Oh, nice. Prophet, what's his name? Philmon Kidan. I think it's from Ivory Coast or something. Wako Drana. Has this guy taken some? All right, EJ doing well for us. Nice. GJ in profits. Confirm, please. Or we are losing.
Yeah, it's in profit.
Very little profit, but at least you who blue no cry. Yeah, like we are confident. We are okay. Wow, 27 pips already on GJ.
Yeah, looking good.
Looking very good. Why you need to join the live streams already? Always. Much love for you, bro. Much love. TK6, what's up? I sold gold at 1841. I didn't sell gold. I was looking for buying opportunities on gold, but I was waiting for confirmation, so it became invalidated. So no trade on gold for today. Still playing around the consolidation. So let's just await breakout. I'm not going to chase the market or You guys know me. I don't follow crowd. I don't look at what people do. Then I also do same. I've blocked my ears. I've developed my psychology not to listen to people. I always follow my plan. All right, so my plan is, let's see a breakout below this. We'll take a sell to this zone. Or if it breaks up, but that's why we use buy stops. So maybe we could be using sell stops too. Let's see. So let's see with gold. Gold is, so close all buy stops. If you made profits on gold, congratulations. Doing the other way around, congratulations. At the end of the day, making money is the most important thing. And I'm a boy. Right, so GU maybe could confirm here, but I wasn't just sure of these two candles. My spray didn't like it. US 30, I would send a signal soon. I'll send a signal soon on US 30. Always, please, BTC or any crypto. No, we are not going to talk about. I don't like what's happening on Bitcoin now. You could see everything is red. Everything is red. All cryptos. These are crypto futures. My list. Everything.
Yesterday there was a news on from Russia on BTC that they banned crypto. So maybe this crash is because of that news.
Russia hasn't banned crypto. It's a food.
Yeah, I had a screenshot, someone sent it to me.
Yeah, it's a food. That's what I'm saying. It's a food. Russia hasn't banned crypto. Someone was also saying that Biden also called Putin to warn him, so it has made crypto from hey, you guys.
How does that affect crypto?
You get me? How does that affect crypto? He was also trying to. He's a mentor. He calls himself a mentor, and he was trying to convince people it has affected the economy of USA, and that has made it affect all assets and all stocks. Blah blah. And people were also busy quietly listening. Hey,
Today, BTC hit my trading stop.
BTC is it's good. It's good.
I hit my trading stop and buys.
All right, so Bitcoin, yes, we had nice buys yesterday. This was a buy
Yeah,
before it
that was
came.
cool.
Immediately, yes, that was an aggressive scalp. Immediately we got off it, it came back into entry. Gold is still owing me. I need to get my money back from gold. Wow, Boeing. You can see all stocks are going down. Look at Boeing company, air flights. Look at crude oil. Look at Alibaba. Alibaba is falling. Look at Walmart. Walmart is falling. Look at Apple. Apple is falling. Look at Facebook. Facebook is falling. Netflix is falling. Whoa, Netflix even fell harder. I think this is the first in a whole year that Netflix has fallen this way.
Yeah.
Wow. So it's like all assets are dropping, right? All assets are dropping. Tesla is also falling. Russell 2000 is also falling. Google is falling. Amazon, like all assets, name it. All assets are falling. So it's very, very normal if you see US 30 also falling. Very, very normal.
And
yes.
that's also falling, NASDAQ.
NASDAQ also falling. But I'm looking for buying opportunities today. Like I said, if I don't see any buying opportunities today, I'm not trading US 30 today. And you can see the way it's moving. It goes up, it goes down. So let the erratic behavior keeps on keeping for now. I'll trade it later. We have 60 minutes on the live session, right? We have 60 minutes on the live session. You can ask me any question you want to ask. EJ in nice profits. A very little profits, not really nice. GJ, little profits too. All markets crashing. Step index is falling. Is it? Whoa. Nice on step index. Nice on step index. This is my favorite pair on synthetics. That's my favorite pair on synthetics. That is my favorite pair on synthetics. Running how many pips? You guys should update me. So if you made profit on step index, GJ, let us see you. Let me take some screenshots on the comment section. If you made some profits. King Ren, Elvis, when will you marry? I'm very, very young. Like me, Aquada Crow. Like marriage is going to be the last thing on my mind now. Let's see if you made profit. Let me screenshot. Let me screen record at least, please, to go and brag a little. I beg. Else you are not get anything to brag with. And let me know your profits too. Let me screen record this. I beg. Whoa, still going down to our final tip. That's 32. We still have like 130 pips to also make here. Oh. EJ and GJ running in profits, $10 up already. I just made $6,000 closing my trades. Are you using a prop firm? Thank you, Yalbi. Yes, you guys also need to give Yalbi some cash. I haven't ever paid this guy before, but this guy always comes to the live stream and he copies and pastes all the trades that we take here. Yalbi, do text me on Instagram, man, or text me on my WhatsApp if you have my WhatsApp. Let's pay you. Let's appreciate you. When did you start trading? I started trading 4 years ago. I got to know about trading like let's say 5 or 6 years, but I actually started trading 4 years ago. but I got into making profits, I think just 3 years ago. So at age 20, that was when I was seeing profits. I started trading at age 17, so you can calculate my age. I'm very, very young. So, but Forex isn't about age. If you've noticed, Forex trading isn't about age. Let me type my name on Google and see what Google has for me. Hey, who is this man? Hey, Al Hassan Abubakar Nawai. Are you always Justice Bedi, my friend? Who is this guy? Okay, so let me use Google instead of Bing.
Is he your brother?
I don't know him. I just typed my name and he came. I'm like, hey, this guy wants to come take my shine. I beg. Let me use Google. I don't know. Google. Google.com. Is it google.com, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Google.com. I'm very bad when it comes to IT, PC, those things. Very, very, very bad. But someone is also good in it, so.
Yo, GU is falling.
GU is falling. Has it confirmed?
Oh, it's like near. It didn't break down now.
Elvis
It's about to
Justice
break.
net worth. Who has been checking for my net worth? Okay, so.
Boys make wild.
Okay.
Boys won't see how much you get. I swear.
People staring at your net worth.
Obviously, you are still a small boy. I'm still a small boy. Very, very small.
Charlie, we forgot the gold song.
That's my brother.
Gold is falling.
Gold is falling. Okay, hey, let's focus. It looks like we are losing focus. All right, so
GG
GJ
falling and gold falling.
Should we take the gold sales? Elvis, should we take gold sales? Should we take gold sales? Should we take gold sales? Take gold sales. Don't take gold sales. I don't feel like we should take a sell. Let's leave it. I don't feel like I don't feel, though it can sell to 20, but my spirit is not happy.
It's not really clear, yeah.
It's clear. It looks clear now, but I don't know. My spirit says no. There are some trades when you are taking them. Whenever you are taking them, you know that your spirit is saying something. Take it. Good trade. That kind of vibe. But I don't feel that vibe here. But it has confirmed. So breakout. But let's leave it. I wasn't planning for a sell. I was planning for a buy. So when it's selling, it's like you're not changing your plan. Let's just leave it. DJ in like how many pips? 30 already. Nice. So you should be in good profit if you are holding GJ. I'm beginning to love this pair. Yes, 31 pips in profit for GJ. 31 pips in profit for GJ. What else?
GU.
All right, GU. So let's look for opportunities on GU. Whoa, has confirmed. All right, so let's take sales on GU, but with a higher risk, because I still don't really trust this, because GU can, but it's much clearer now. You could see lower highs, lower low, but lower low. So we are going to see another lower low here. And one thing I told you guys, and you guys need to learn about this from me, right? Especially if you are following me on YouTube, right? Learn this from me. The target for the whole trade is 370. Always divide it, by 2. Don't be greedy. Right, so 360 divided by 2 is like 180, right? 180. So let's target 180. pips, on this. Okay, it makes sense here. We don't want to target the whole thing. So 180 pips target on GU. And where would our stop loss be? Our stop loss should be 50 pips. So let's target 50 pips to here with as our stop loss. Okay, and let's see. All right, so sell GU now. You can sell it now. Let me even sell it before, but apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. All right, I'm risking low on GU though for some reasons. I don't know. My spirit doesn't want to take this trade. It's like I'm taking this trade. I don't know, but my spirits don't want to take this trade. I don't feel the edge of taking this trade. Always, can I take my Forex fan account and be using your signal? Yes, you can. G reflection of GJ, yes, they correlate, but I'm just saying, I don't. It's just a personal thing. Like, I don't feel. You see some trades, when you're taking some trades, you are really, really confident. You are really, really happy taking the trade, but there's not the kind of trade. I don't know. But let's take it. A D and a D and I'm a boy. I know haters are watching me now. This guy has to lose this trade. Unless I always say something, unless you kill God, right? Unless they kill God. We will lose, but we'll still make profits more than we losing. Alright, so 50 pips. Let's reach 50 pips on. If you're watching me and you're a hater, please love me, because me your shit, it's all love. No competitions, No, there's nothing like competition. We are just fighting, or we are hustling with the markets. Let's all fight the market. Let's come together. Let's come together and make money together. That's why we are all trading, or we are all hustling. The world will definitely end one day. We all have an end one day. There's no need hating me, or there's no need, or I wouldn't gain anything hating you. Let's love one another. You don't know me, you don't know what I do. You go talk stuff about me, Okay, 170 pips. That's going to be our 180 pips. Sorry, that's going to be our TP. But our TP1. Yes, let's use 1 TP. I would break it down on the chat later. Alright, so GU sell. Alright, GU sells. Right, Momayon for Odo and boom. We are one. I was really shocked. A Ghanaian trader was going hard on me. This guy has done this. I'm like, hey, bossu. Lambo na maton na eyo ya na dina maton. Like, I don't get it. Where from this hate? All right, analyze Euro USD. I'm going to analyze Euro USD. Then we go straight to the charts, or straight to the VIP. Okay. So today has been a great day. Are you done analyze? There's nothing to analyze on BTC. Best bars in Ghana. I'm in profit. Tell us about your bars. Best bars in Ghana is on my Zoom. Tell us about your bars. Matiso, your bars. Tell us about.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So it's basically more about showing nice places in Ghana for you all to visit. You understand? So like it's more like blogging for hospitality establishments.
Okay.
To make it easy for the people who visit the country to select from, like to identify places.
Yes, I came to Ghana and I went to some couple of bars. I don't know if you know Kruna. I went to Kruna. I went to that's not a bar. That's a club.
Club, yeah.
Okay, bar Ben Koi. Me, I'm just following them. But I went to Boss
So
first.
yeah,
I
I'm on
think.
Instagram. Yeah, they can follow me.
All
if
right,
they
so
want.
put your Instagram here. Let's follow you now. Let's try to boost your. Put it on the live Zoom chat. All right, so my friends, my
Best
people,
bars.
you guys know I always do this. Whenever I come, I like seeing people going up. So let's do this for our brother. Let's support his business. Go follow him at best. This is it.
Best bars in Ghana.
Yes, Uma, follow him and tell me when you are done. You might not do that. Safe as best bars in Ghana. When you come to Ghana, there are some nice bars. This guy is a plug. When I came to Ghana, he even took me to a nice bar in Ghana, and I spent just $30 eating a lot of food. So when I say I'm not saying that when you go to him, you also pay $30, my friend. That was my budget. That was my budget. So please go follow him.
Thank you so much, Elvis.
Please do go follow him at Best Bars in Ghana. Who has a business here to advertise?
I've done.
All of you are traders. For traders, they don't like businesses, so their business is their chats. Share.
Doctor.
For traders, our business is our chats. Auntie Sylvia, it's not easy. It's not easy. For traders, our business is our chats. If you are making money, you are making money on our chats. We don't have any time for phone business, sneakers business, bar business. We don't have that energy. That's why I don't really find me doing other stuff. But I'm planning on going on real estate with my guy COD. If he's watching this, shout out to him. All right. So no one has any business to advertise. Hey, Yatma, Onuaha, Chidi, Auntie Sylvia, Imano, Safas.
Ghana soft too.
You don't have any business to advertise. Strictly trading.
No.
So those on the
Forex.
Okay, so they are also advertising themselves. The next groups in the next couple of months or next couple of weeks. We have Safas, you have Best Bars in Ghana. You will now change it to Best Bars FX. Soon you will change it to Best Bars FX. Safas will also change it to Safas Trading Academy, Emmanuel Trading Academy, Sylvia Trading Academy, Uma Trading Academy, and Yatma Trading Academy. I would love to see you guys being gurus someday. Like, I would love to see it, because for some of us, we are not going to be trading for a long time. There's a season in everything.
Yeah.
There's a season in everything. My season will come to an end. Before me, you guys had a guru in Ghana. And now it's not lavishly like what I'm doing. It's not doing what I am doing now. There's a season to everything. Some years or some months to come, someone also come and also take the name and the glory. So I'm not going to stay here forever. I'm just doing what I can do, and my time would come to an end. So I would be very happy to see someone say Elvis mentored me and I'm here today doing this. I'll be very, very, very proud.
Sure, bro. Sure.
Those on the YouTube session, those here too.
Elvis, I am also a medical student like you. And
wow. Where are you?
China. I'm studying in China, and I have a lot of friends from Ghana. They're studying with me.
Wow. I like making friends. Like social. We call it social networking.
Yeah. Next time you pay a visit to China, do let me know.
For sure. Now it's like I'm securing every place, every city. Whenever you get to this country, hit me up. Whenever you get here, hit me up. GJ in nice profits.
Yeah.
GJ in nice. It's like this week our trade has been very, very like a sniper entry. No drawdown. We just get into profits. Nice.
GJ is kind of liking you.
Maybe GJ 40 pips up. EJ, how many pips? Went almost hit our stop loss. Wow! But we are back to business.
I took a trade from where it was about to,
Elvis, I
hit
already
our
paid
stop
for
loss.
you for the calls and VIP signals. Can you add me to the FTMO? Listen, I am on live streams. I can't add you now, but I would definitely add anyone that has paid and I haven't added you. I would add you when I hop out of the YouTube streams. So I hope everyone made money. Everyone is making money. Gold, I was stubborn, but it's good. It's all good. Gold, I was stubborn, but it's still all good. Right. So thank you to now we are going to trade on the live chat. So on Telegram. So let's all go straight to Telegram and I'll wait signals from me. So thank you, Uma. I think you are now my trading partner. Best Bar FX. Thank you. Safas, thank you. Emmanuel from Ukraine. Thank you. Emmanuel from UK. Thank you. iPad, Elvis, thank you. That's me. I'm the one using the iPad. Where's my face cry? Oh. Next time, you guys should also show your faces. Yeah, that's me over there. Where's the camera? The camera is yours here. Okay, that's the camera. So you guys can see me. Yo, 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 yo. All right. Auntie Sylvia, thank you. Uncle Yatsma, thank you. Why am I even using auntie and uncle? Ohuaha Chidi, you didn't talk today, but thank you for showing up, thank you for coming. All right, so those that joined our live streams, I want to thank everyone for coming. Emmanuel Tonto says I should mention his name, so Emmanuel Tonto DK, thank you for coming. Elvis, analyze Euro USD. Okay, let me analyze Euro USD quickly before we leave this chat. So Euro USD, what are we to look here? Nothing. Don't trade it, leave it. Thank you. Leadership, when do you come to Dublin? It's Dublin in Ireland. Invite me to Dublin. I haven't been there before. Wow, gold really falling. We didn't take the trade too. But if you took it, congrats. I think Ken Ren was telling you guys to take it, but I didn't take it. I was sticking to my plan. All right, so God bless everyone for joining. Do tag me on Instagram at Elvis Justice Official _. Please tag me. Help me to be famous. I'm not famous yet. I want to be famous. Okay. All right, so do tag me and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow there's not going to be any trade. We are just going to have mentorships for VIP. Those are my VIP. I'm going to teach tomorrow and answer some questions. Sunday I'll be doing one-on-one sessions. Those that have one-on-one mentorships with me. And Sunday I would be doing the pre-market analysis on YouTube. Right, on YouTube. Sunday I'll be doing the pre-market analysis, analyzing 10 pairs and what we are to expect for the week. God bless everyone for joining and I love everyone. Be safe.
Love you too, bro. Be safe. Bye-bye.
Now buy gold. Always mention my name to Airport View Hotel. All right, guys. Be safe. Do tag me with your profits if you made some. I love everyone. God bless. See you on the Telegram page. Let's continue there. All right. Bye.